We're going to be able to document the whole experience for the world to see, going up, standing up and jumping, and then free falling. It's going to be a very wonderful experience for the world to share Felix' experience as he free falls.
The cameras on Stratos with the definition of what they're going to come up with 19 different high definition cameras. I mean, the level of what they're collecting as far as data is just uncomparable.
Operating cameras in a near space condition is a very brutal environment. So it was really challenging to come up with brand new state-of-the-art camera systems that could be tested and space qualified to make these images for this mission. Every single camera has been placed where it is, and the lens is chosen specifically to tell the story of the mission. So it's very much a storytelling-driven process that put the cameras where they were and determined the angles that we're going to see. The path for the images starts from the capsule and also our J-layers, our ground trackers out in the field, and all those signals come back to mission control. So the flight controllers have the opportunity to see any picture at any time, and from there those signals are passed on to the OB production truck, and then choices are made on which images are sent out for the public to see.
A lot of the same data that was developed on Joe's jumps back 52 years ago, that same data now, but recorded in much higher fidelity to more detail. That data is really important for groups like NASA or the US Air Force Surgeon General.
Most of these images you'll see live during the event, transmitted over the internet and over networks, which will probably have some of the most compelling footage anyone's ever seen from this altitude.
And I haven't seen all of the footage. There's so much information. Every time I start looking at it, it's a little bit overwhelming. The public, if they go on redbullstratos.com, I mean, it's more than you could ever imagine. And it's updated all the time.